Hey, what's going on, everybody? Glad to see you here. Glad to see you here. This morning stream, or I should say this afternoon stream now, a little bit more of a sleepy style stream. Just kind of just this. One of the jobs I do is 3D model for mobile games, and basically just gonna live stream a little bit of my workflow today while I get some things done, and then later tonight I'm gonna do another stream of playing. Decided I downloaded a Nintendo 64 emulator, and I'm gonna be doing a complete playthrough of Ocarina of Time again. So I ordered a N64 controller, and I got that all set up and calibrated, and so I'm pretty damn excited. I haven't played the game since I was little, and I don't remember most of it. I mean, I remember the things that I loved about it, but I don't remember most of the game. So to me, it's gonna be, I feel like, a whole new experience again of Ocarina of Time, for the most part. Like, I remember nothing of Water Temple and Spirit Temple, and like I just remember the boss fights, and you know, I'll probably even get stuck still on a lot of the dungeons. Definitely not an Ocarina of Time master, but I'm looking forward to playing it, so that'll be fun. Opening that box tonight for the first time. Alright, so basically what I'm doing here is building some NFTs, and we got all these different hats, and basically we're coloring them right now and giving them materials, and then I'm bringing them into Unity and setting them up for the rest of the team. And yeah, so just gonna chill out, listen to some music, and get on that. Last time, I'm a bit scared, honestly, to hey, what's going on? It's good to see you here, man. We're doing some boring 3D modeling, but I figured, you know, there's some nerds out there that might like to watch some 3D modeling. I'm a little sketched though, like I was gonna say, because last time I was 3D modeling and streaming at the same time, I crashed. The stream software crashed, because I think there's just overloading my video card and my CPU, trying to do everything. So I'm gonna try to work slow here and not make things too demanding in the program. But I realize if I move the camera too fast in here, things start lagging. Because I also have Unity open too, which is a game engine. I have Blender open, and then I have Streamlabs open at the same time as well, so really pushing the gaming laptop here. It's impressive though. I mean, it's running smooth. Luckily, I don't have to do anything too demanding with lighting here. I can just keep it in material mode. I'm not going to press that button, which brings me into rendered mode, which is like a real-time rendering switch, basically. Hey man, I'm down tonight. Let's do it, man. I'm torn between picking the shaman or the hunter, bro. I think I might just be the hunter. It feels good at the priest, but the shaman does so much damage, dude. I don't know. I want to do a few games with the shamans tonight, if you're down. I want to do a couple games with the shaman, a couple games with the hunter, and just kind of see how they both feel next to each other. Okay, I'm trying to remember where I left off here. Let me go into Unity. Okay. So I did do the beanie hat already. Okay. So you can see here I have all the different colors. Okay, so beanie hat's done. So we'll hide the beanie hat. Okay. Do the baseball cap next. Now I've been moving these into their new collections by pressing M. I'll just call it baseball. And I'm gonna drag that into the hats. I've had to do this because now that we've been doing a new material system, and basically because of that, I had to make new folders because there's like an extra model with everything now. Okay, baseball cap. So going into the materials here. So basically the change here that's happening is these have already all been done, but we decided to purely color with materials instead of texture map. So I've just been going in and deleting the texture map here, and then reassigning new materials. So like I'm gonna call this the buckle now, and then make another material and call this like main color, baseball. And then we go into edit mode, and oh, excuse me. I just breathed in something. Ah, made my eye water. It was like a piece of dust or something. So what I was saying was, if I model this correctly, I should just be able to do link select, which is pressing L, and there we go. Yep. So what I love about modeling in Blender, I don't know if this is the case in other programs, I've just learned Blender, but when you model in edit mode, keeps them separate even though it's the same object, which is nice for material making. Okay, so the rim is separate from that. That's cool. You know what? I'm gonna do 3 materials on this so we can get more color variation. I'm gonna add another material. I'm gonna call this the rim, I guess. And actually, I'm gonna put matte on the end of all these, just so. I like to make the file organization very clear, because you don't always end up looking at the files in the program interface. Sometimes you gotta find them. Okay, so buckle, and then I just press assign. I deselect that. Select main part of the hat. Assign. Deselect that with Alt A. It's the hotkey to deselect all. Rim matte. L for link select, and then assign. There we go. Now I should be able to individually color these. So we'll do the buckle. I forget what I did. Let me look. Because I'm trying to carry over all the color themes I did before. Let me know how the music is, guys, if you can hear me talking, or if it's too loud, too quiet. It always comes out different. That's why I ask every time. It's kind of like a gig, you know? Like playing a live gig. You do the sound, get it right. And you don't have to touch it for the rest of the night. For the most part. Depending on the band. Where am I? Hats. I just wanted to see it. Okay, so yeah, I did make all the buckles gold. So I'll just keep it simple still with that. So I can click it here as well. You can also go into shader graph here and do it, but the principled BSDF comes down here in the menus as well. And you'll find some sort of gold color here. Now I haven't been doing everything 100% saturated, trying to find somewhere in the middle. It's not too eye blinding. Alright, there we go. And what's good about this now is I'm not going to have to change this, basically. So I can just not touch that, and once you put it into Unity, the buckle will be the same color on every hat, and in Blender. that's the benefit of setting it up this way with separate materials. Before, with a texture map, you know, you go in here and you have the UV map over here on the left. If I move my head, and a image file will lay underneath these, which will then tell it to project it onto the model. So I don't know exactly how the coding is in Blender when it comes to just material color, so I can't explain that, but that's the difference. So main color, I believe. So I've been trying to keep the themes somewhat the same, so that when there's full outfits, they'll match. So I'll start with like the black theme, and I'll usually drag it in the viewport here to get a closer look and see how it looks in the game engine, because it always comes out different in the game engine than in Blender. This isn't the baseball cap, but I just want to get this color scheme here, which is just pretty much all black. There's always the person that wants to wear all black. Okay. But I don't go jet black because it ends up not looking realistic for some reason. Oh, and the other thing I gotta do on all these is, so on the buckle, I'm gonna make it a little shinier by turning the roughness down, which is this slider here. And you can see it gets shiny. I can go closer here. Oh. The music skipped when I zoomed in on the program. There you go. It shows you how touchy it is. So you see I slide this roughness here. It gets glossy. But I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle. And then the cloth, I want it to be full rough, which means no bouncing. My computer's hating me right now, I can tell. I'm just going to take it slow. I'm not going to move anything too quick. I think that's what's happening. I'm moving things too fast here. Yep, now take the rim color and move that down. There we go. They always lie about what are in these playlists. I think maybe just a few songs end up slipping through the cracks that aren't in the genre I picked. Alright. There we go. Somewhere around there. Okay. And now save. And basically, so what we have to do here, you have to export it two different ways. One file is for the NFT website, so it can go on the market, and the other file is for the game engine. So doing the FBX first here. So I'm going to select my my armature here, because this is actually attached to this guy, which didn't show up for me for some reason, but that's okay. Oh, that'll be why. So that's like the character there, that the clothes are going on in the game, but he's hidden, and that's basically his skeleton there. So I'm just gonna turn him off again. And we've just been exporting each clothing item with the armature into the game engine. So, yep, okay, FBX. not import, export. So I actually haven't made the new folders yet. FBX. And then it's called GLFT, I think. I believe that's what it is. GLTF. I still can't get it. GLTF. GLTF. I'll remember it eventually. Okay, so this one goes in the FBX. And this one will be called the baseball black. And over here I'm going to go to just selected objects. Holding shift, I'm going to make sure it's just the armature, just the mesh. Make sure apply units checked. This will ensure that when the model goes over into the game engine, it will carry over the correct data for like 3D world, the coordinates. Because I believe Blender uses meters by default. Okay, baseball black, check, check. Oh, and then I have to go here and holding control instead of not shift. Because for some reason you hold shift to multiple select in the 3D viewport, but you hold control to multiple select in the hierarchy over here. And just the baseball cap model and the armature is all I want to export, and it should be good. Now I do the same thing, come over back to export and do a GLTF instead. Selected objects. That all looks good. Baseball. Man, this music is random, huh? It's all I got to use. So that I don't get copyright strikes. There we go, that's better. Okay. And I've been adding a GLTF label to each of these files too, so that again, nothing gets confusing. It's really clear. I'm gonna double check I'm in the right folder. Yep. I double check so much with this stuff, I drive myself crazy because it's easy to mess up. So over here now, coming to I'm in Unity, which is the game engine. Baseball cap. Now I gotta create a couple folders here. This one's FBX and GLTF. Okay. And import new asset. There we go. And there's the hat in Unity. I'm gonna get that out of the way. And there we go. Buckle's gold, hat's black. And real quick, I'm gonna go over here, click on the model, set it up to be a humanoid rig, and this will give it its avatar. I'm not going to explain that, but if you use Unity, you'll know what I'm talking about. And there are the 3 materials that we created in Blender with the 3 colors that now you can adjust in Unity, which is also the reason why we were doing it this way. And rinse and repeat, basically. So I actually have to drag and drop with GLTF files for some reason, because Unity doesn't recognize them, but in this case for workflow we've decided to store them inside Unity. There it is. Then I just drag it right here. And there it is. All right. And we're doing 10 color themes for each one. Alright, back into Blender. And we just, once this is set up, we just rinse and repeat this. So I just want to remember, so we do gray theme. So I'm going to keep the buckle the same color. And just make this a little bit more gray, basically. Something like that. Now, same process. And what's cool about this too is you don't have to make any new mesh. You can just keep re-exporting it, and it'll keep creating new FBX files. Oops, not import. Export. FBX. And Blender remembers where the folder you've been in too, separately for each type of export, which is nice. I don't know if that's like a Blender unique thing. So this one is gray. Again, selected objects, armature mesh, apply unit, baseball gray. Now the GLTF file, just change this to gray. Just check here, make sure everything's good. Alright. There we go. Back to Unity. And there it is. I'm gonna check it. There it is. Oops. Alright, now the GLTF file. I think I already have my file explorer up. Yep. And I can just drag it in. Alright. Next up, where are we? Cobalt Blue. Alright, Cobalt Blue it is. So Cobalt Blue, we're like right over here. I grade that out pretty good. Somewhere around there. Let me see something here. Never mind. I'm gonna click this little shield on each material, basically making it so that even when it's not assigned to an object, it'll save the material data in the program. Might have to take an intermission in a little bit here to go make more coffee. Just want more coffee. The color picking doesn't work because it's literal. Does this let me see? The one thing I'm trying to figure out is it doesn't let me make a color palette here. Unless it does. Oh no. No, here we go. So maybe I wish it would just give me a little material library. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, so it doesn't let me. Huh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, wait. Copy material? Paste material, maybe? Ah, there it is. I knew it. They always think of it. Cool. So that's how we keep the colors the same. Like, so I don't have to match the color pick. I was trying to figure that out last night and I couldn't figure that out. Okay. There we go. Now export. And we just do this for days. Baseball Cobalt, armature, selected objects, apply. There it is. Now the GLTF. Okay, that seems to be saving the parameters there. I don't need to keep looking at that. Over to Unity, baseball cap. There it is. GLTF. Alright, moving on. What's the next one? Green. So we have a green and a teal one. Okay. Green. I know I've been going for the sort of sappy green, like that. It's a bit lighter. Do that. Oh, that's such a good button. That's gonna save time. Oh, see, I don't even have to deselect it. It doesn't even, I mean, it doesn't even deselect. I can tell my computer is at the brink of crashing. Cobalt. Green. Yeah, I think I just called it green. Everything staying the same. I think today is going to be a day of streams. lots of streams. I want to do the Legend of Zelda one. And then I want to do another drawing one. I think the drawing one will come before. Because I have to work on some things there before I can play video games. I have to be responsible. Maybe someday if I get enough people watching the video games, playing video games can actually pay, but baseball gray, green, there it is. I was just double checking. And I also forgot to go through all these and make sure I changed them to the humanoid. Which, I mean, I can just go through and do it later, but do it while I'm here. Okay, green, what's next? Orange. Alright, it's very dulled out orange. At least with this shader in this world. I know Unity makes it look a little more dull for some reason, like by default, whatever the environment it is that it uses. Oops. Just changing the music here. Alright. I gave it a complimentary theme, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I haven't extracted the materials, but you can always adjust it later. Okay, so I have to do the copy and paste in there. Noted. Screw it, why not? Give it the complementary color theme. Alright. Orange one done. Nice, thank you for saving my parameters, Blender, you're the best. There it is. Ooh, I think I even went a little too dull with that one, didn't I? Yeah, I think I went a little too dull with that one. Knock it up to that. Paste that material. Oops. Just overwrite it. Okay. And just delete this. Okay. Still a bit. Okay, let's try that. I saturated it even more. It's just looking too brown and orange. Okay. Let me see what that looks like. Yeah, okay. Kind of looks like the other one. Alright. Now the GLTF. Alright. Pink one. Pink it is. And bring this back to gold here. That's fine. Pink is such a strong color. Sorry, do that. All right. Pink. All right. Back to Unity. And there's the pink one. For the NFT version. There we go. Alright, what's next? Purple. Purple and black. Or purple and darker purple, it looks like. Okay. But I'm just gonna keep the buckle gold on this one. Maybe there instead. Maybe that's a little too desaturated. I don't know. I gotta see it in Unity, I guess. It's always different in Unity. I feel like maybe it's still a little too bluish. Yeah, I think I traveled a little too far into blue. Desaturated a hair. That wasn't a hair. There. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Purple. Okay. There we go. The only thing, I feel like I made the buckle a little bit more gold. Purple, pink, orange, green. Okay. A little more towards yellow, a hair brighter. And just re-export this one. Delete this, delete that. Yeah, that's better. There's the purple one. Alright. What's next? Red. The red and white theme. In this case, though, I'm not going to do a white buckle. For the cap, I'm going to keep it gold. Okay, I gotta go a little more saturated. Delete that out. I didn't bring it in there yet. There we go. I'm happy with that. Alright. Snowy blue. So for the baseball cap, I'll just make it more ultramarine than this. So somewhere in that area. Saturation down slightly. Value down slightly. Something like that. And what the hell? Why not? Make it snowy. Okay, do something like that. Bring up the satch. Okay. FBX. That's screw it, I'll call it snowy too. We'll keep it snowy because it's like a weird, unique theme, I guess. I don't know if that's really the snowy colors. I just would have been calling it snowy. Okay. There it is. Okay. Fixing my music over here on the side. There we go. Wasn't loading. Okay, I got the snowy. What's next? Tan. Okay. Tan it is. This definitely has to go back to gold. Somewhere around there. It's pretty much tan, right? There we go, tan hat. I have to like work at a certain speed so that if I click too fast through stuff, my computer, because everything it's running right now at the same time, gets a little upset. Oops, wrong one. Gets a little upset. Alright. Alright, what's next? Teal. somewhere around here. There we go. Alrighty. Close enough. Alright, GLTF. I believe that's our 10. Or it's more than 10. Cool, it's 11. Yeah, screw it, throw in an extra one. Now I'm just gonna go through these and make sure I did all the humanoid rigs here. I know I just started blasting without doing every one. New collection. And drag it up to hat. There we go. Now I think this one's just gonna be one material. Nice and simple. Delete that texture there. And let's see. Beret hat. Matte. Yep, I don't even need to change the name of that. Go right through the colors here. But before I do that, I am gonna go get some more coffee. And yeah. I will be back. I will leave you with this intermission video in the meantime. Alright, I got the water heating up. I'm gonna do a couple more while. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to run back to the coffee momentarily. Oh, you know what color I realize I'm not doing? I want to add a white one. I think it should be a white one. What am I seeing? Confused, why? Okay. I had like a bunch of extra aviator hats for some reason. It's like, what the hell is going on? Okay, so I just wanted to add a white one to all of them, like an off-white. Something like that. And flaps and trim. I don't know, what's an off-white trim color? Even more white? Black? That makes it that ends up making it look like gray. Maybe something like that. I'll roll with that. I'll give each one its own little bit of slightly different white theme. Just realized it was the one color I didn't do, and then we'll have even more. Can't have too many, I guess. Let me just make sure this is selected here. Everything should be good. White. Nope. We have to call it. Oh, I typed it with the color first in this. Alright. And I gotta go back to the right folder. Okay. Now let me toss that in here. Cool. Need a white one. There's the one that was missing out of all these, I would say. Yep, and then there it is. Oh, there we go. Okay, and now back to the baseball cap quick. So we hide aviator, baseball, select baseball, or man, then baseball. Main color, off-white. Oops. Somewhere around there. Oop, my computer skipped. I heard it. It's hating everything I'm running at the same time right now. So bad. Okay, back to the baseball cap, which I call hat here. So, baseball, white. Everything looks good. LTF. Baseball. White. Oops. Okay. There we go. And then the other version. And the beanie. And let's see. Turn that off. Turn on beanie. This is why I've been putting them in collections. It's nice to like just turn off the collection rather than turning off the whole object. Just found it easier. Main color. Somewhere around there. I'm just gonna make it all pure white there. Okay. Export FBX. I believe it. I called it. I'm calling everything different file names on accident. Because when I first started this project, I was naming the hats that I thought they were called, but I was wrong about a lot of official hat names. White beanie. Everything looks good, except the armature not being selected there. Okay. I think I'm good. Now for this one, white beanie, and I just have to go to, well, winter hat. There we go. Back to Unity. White beanie, there it is. Oops. Alright, cool. Let's see, so I did baseball cap, beanie. And I'm gonna go into Fork here. So Fork is a program we use as a team to update the project file and send each other different models and stuff and whatever. So basically it just automatically updates whatever you do in Unity, and then you can send it to the team rather than sending project files and uploading and downloading them. It's really fast and efficient. It's really awesome, actually. I'm new to it, but it's great. And basically, before I get too far, I'm just dumping, or pushing, it's called, the changes I've done so far. Just like to do it in chunks here. So stage. Let's see. So I did the baseball. Or I thought I did the. Oh no, I did just do the baseball cap. I'm dumb. Threw me off when I added the white. Alright, stage. And I label it. I'll just call it Another hat dump. Mainly baseball caps. Both GL, TF, and FBX. Commit files. And then I push. Let's see if they pushed anything else today. Says everything's up to date. Alright. Okay, so my coffee's definitely boiling. I'm gonna go take care of that real quick. I will be right back. Alright, what up? Got my coffee, my first batch. I brought the whole French press in here with me to so I can keep pouring it. Alright. Beanie hat done. Baseball cap done. Beret, that's what we left off on. Okay. Oh, got a little coffee on my brand new mouse. Let me take care of that quick. What gaming mouse y'all use? I just started trying out the G502 Lightspeed by Logitech. I like it. It's one less hotkey than my old mouse, so I had to find a way to adjust, and it sucked for like a month, but now that I'm used to it, I hope they don't discontinue it like they do every other mouse. That's what kept happening. They discontinued. Oh, I can see my green screen colors are messing up a little there, aren't they? Let's see if I can fix that. Oh, weird. It's like my camera reset. There we go. It's weird. I have to tweak my camera to such a point where my green screen works. Okay. I don't know why it reset though. It shouldn't have done that. Okay. Beret. Black, thin gray. Hopefully I just start memorizing this. Okay. Black. This is gonna be faster because I'm not gonna do multicolor themes here. So Beret, gotta make 2 folders, FBX, GLTF, FBX, black, Beret. And I'm gonna copy the word Beret. Might be faster to type. Everything's good. GLTF. Go to the right directory. There we go. Black. Include, transform, yep, Y plus up. Alright, nope, don't want there to be a 2 there. Alright. Off to Unity. There it is. I swear this music sometimes. Alright. There it is. Alright, then gray. See if I can memorize here. Gray. Wait, so if I just go to export, does it let me type immediately? Because then it would make pointless Okay, I can do it that way. I can just click rather than highlight. That'll actually be faster. You find ways to save 1 second here and there with this kind of stuff. Yeah, okay. Okay, but with this one I have to. Because I don't feel like typing GLTF every time. Oops. There we go. Make sure I do the rig. Turn it into a humanoid. Did I not do that for all these? Oh, missed one. Alright, I didn't do the white one. What about the baseball cap? Nope. Okay, so I probably missed. Yeah. Okay. It's always worth double checking. Gray, I want to say it's cobalt. Nice. Cobalt then green. Alright. Oops. Blended in with the menu. Ended up picking the wrong slider. There it is. Alright. Not into that tune. Trying to keep it chill, but not too chill. Productively chill. Alright, yeah, just highlight and type. Okay. Well, I did forget to turn... Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. It just doesn't translate. The roughness in the material doesn't translate to Unity, apparently. Okay. And it was green. I always do that, hold shift down too long. Green. There it is. Ah, nice. One color goes so much faster. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rig right as it comes in, so I don't forget now. Is that how dark this green was? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. It's close. One's maybe a little bit more saturated than the other, but that's fine. Alright. There it is. Ooh, I'm not sure I can memorize the next one. I want to say pink. Ah, I was one off. Orange. Okay. Orange it is. Off to Blender. There we go, orange. FBX. Gotta make sure not to go too fast. I actually work a little faster than this, but my computer is unhappy about streaming and running Unity and Blender and Fork all at the same time. I'm glad I invested in the power. But we've found the peak, probably. I wonder how much. I'm probably still not using 64 gigabytes of RAM, though. It's hard to use 64 gigabytes of RAM. You have to really have a lot of shit open. It's more in, like, the CPU and GPU maxing out. Alright. I have an i9900K. So, I mean, in 2019 when it came out, it was the best one they had. Obviously, things move fast. What is up to it's up to the 11,000K now. It's gone two more, right? Who knows? It's probably up to 13. All right. Then it was pink. Sorry about that. That was my alarm. Then it was pink. Yep, pink. Okay. Do something like that. Okay. Oh, I love how it FBX. My brain was thinking FBX and I typed it. I like how Blender saves what folder you were in. That really speeds things up. I gotta say, Blender has gotten so freaking good recently. Like in the last year or two, Blender has gotten insane. Insane, man. Competing with all the Autodesk products. Alright, humanoid that up. Check the color. Yeah. Again, it's gonna look way more pink than that. And the actual Toonie shader that they're using, I don't have it activated right now. I'm just kinda getting used to. I don't actually have it in my Unity package, unfortunately. Yep, the GLTF. There it is. Alright. What was next? I can minimize these two. Purple. Okay. I'm not memorizing them now. I had like the first 5. So it gets too blue. There we go. Saturated a little bit. Okay. Export FBX. Oh. Computer got mad. I just felt it lagged a little bit. One time, see, last time my stream software crashed. Not even like the software that's demanding. Alright, purple. And there we go. Import. Humanoid. Alright. What's next? The red one. Okay. Make sure my rig and my hat are selected. Red. Okay. Off to Unity. There it is. Bye. Yeah, rinse and repeat, pretty much. It's the name of the game, but this, for sure. Alright. Snowy blue. So for that, there's no trim on this, so I'll just do that base color, basically. This music right now. Sometimes I'm not paying attention because I'm so focused on what I'm doing. Yeah, closer look at it. Yeah, okay. Somewhere around there. I'll call it like midnight or something. Okay. Maybe I should call it midnight blue, but they'll get the picture, right? Just have to make sure it's substantially different looking than the cobalt. Yeah, I mean, that's a different color for sure. There it is. Okay. Next up, tan. Gotta have the tan. Already was on the right value. That was a snipe. Color snipe. Music is so rando. Did I do the GLTF? I did. Okay. Oops. There we go. Almost there with the berets. Teal and white. Teal and white. Maybe a little bit more off-white. There we go. This is like agent music or something. And like Rayman 2, the video game. Okay. White beret. Yeah. Okay. All right. One hat at a time, we get there. And well, I skipped over teal, didn't I? Alright. I know, computer, I'm sorry. Hang in there. I typed in tan. X. Teal. Alright. I feel like we've gotten too deep into the well of this category of music and now they're all way too generic. Let's see. I mean, they don't really give me much. They don't give me much to pick from. I pay for this service so that I can use this music so that I don't get copyright strikes here. But it's like super generic. Let's see what this is. Alright, I don't know. It's chill, I guess. I'm not gonna get the best. Definitely not gonna get the best. Alright. Teal. Alright, there's all the berets. I'm just gonna toss it out on fork, push it out to the team. All berets are all beret hats. GLTF. Commit. And then push. Alrighty. Oops. One group at a time. Alright, what's next? Bucket hat. Bucket hat time. Alright. And here we have the bucket hat. Bucket. It's like BuzzFeed tutorial music. I guess I struck out again. I guess I'll just keep going through all the music that they gave me until I find what I like. Alright. Get rid of this texture. Oh wait, is it just looping? Oh no, it's still the same song. Alright. Nah, it's just like all the same thing. Whatever, I'll go back to this. I was having more success. Maybe if I put it on shuffle. Okay, yeah, it's shuffling it. Okay, so this is actually another one where we have to do 2 colors. So I'm gonna call this bucket hat main color, and then bucket hat. Bucket trim. And then I just gotta go into edit mode quick. And main color. Love that link select. It's the best. Assign. Deselect. Bucket trim. Assign. Alright. Well, might as well start with the white. We're already here. Ah, yes, and then I can copy. Figured this trick out earlier. Actually, you know what? But for the white on this one, maybe a little gray rim. I don't know. What's the common choice for a white hat with clothes? I guess I'll go with that. Not thinking about it too much. Oh yep, I gotta make the folders here. Bucket hat. FBX, GLTF. Bucket white. Okay. There we go. Now we're rolling on the bucket hat. Or not quite, I gotta get out to this folder. Now we're rolling. FBX. I think I got GLTF memorized now. There we go. Oh wait, no. Wait, what did I do? Did I accidentally export it as teal beret? I think I did. I did. I think my shift is sticky. My shift button. That's why I keep overcapitalizing things. Okay. I'll just delete that. Alright, there we go. Now we're good. Now we're rolling. Now we just slam through them. Yeah, I guess I like the gray outline. Alright, and the first one is going to be black. I'll give it a brown rim. I like the way it looks. Give it a little variation to each one. I don't want to make them exactly the same. This will be black. Because I mean, the possibility is going to become endless. Anyway, even with just 2 materials, the possibilities become endless. Alright. If you have any questions about Blender, please ask if you're a Blender user or you have something you're stuck on. I mean, I don't know every single little tiny corner of Blender, but I've gotten pretty familiar with it, and maybe I could help. Something you've wondered about it. I think a lot about Blender is having to make mistakes to actually learn about it, because all these situations you don't run into unless you kind of stumble into them on accident, it seems to me. I found myself looking up like really specific problems often on the internet and not finding answers. This one I'll go for a straight up desaturated rim. There we go. That'll be the gray. Okay. Super dark, heavy beat, bro. Cobalt. Oh, my computer's lagging. No drop frames though, surprisingly. Stream's been holding up pretty solid. Be right back. I'm just gonna heat up my coffee fast. My bad. Had to heat up the coffee. Cobalt, right? That's where we were. And let's do a complementary color here. Screw it. Really warm, burnt brown. Alright. I never dragged in the black one. Glad I noticed that. Same here. Wait, what didn't I bring in? Cobalt. Yeah, I forgot the black one again. Alright. Green. Making it like Robin Hood colors. Link colors from Zelda. I'm so excited to play that later. Definitely gonna be slamming that for a couple hours. It's like one part of me I feel like it's all gonna come back to me as I play it, but then another part of me feels like I completely forgot everything, and I'm just going to be like, it's gonna take me forever to beat it. I don't know, because I can't remember how hard. I mean, they made those games for adults too, right? Not just for kids. There's the green one. Did I turn the roughness up on this? I did. Okay. Alright. Orange. Oops. I feel like this could be... This could look cool if it was like black. The trim, that is. Halloween colors. Wow, that was the whole song. 15 seconds. Gosh, these companies must not have like a lot to pick from when they buy up these music catalogs. Man, orange really comes through brown in Unity, huh? I mean, look how orange that is in Blender compared to the other one. I'll guess I'll jack it up. I mean, I guess it's more black, right? If I'm going Halloween theme, you know? Spiders and pumpkins. Orange bucket. Yeah, I gotta overwrite it. That's nice of Unity. It replaces it. Okay. Pink. Still can't memorize the colors. In the order they are, anyway. I accidentally did the white, but then I liked it. Screw it. Okay, and then purple. I wonder if my keyboard does the next song. That would be sick. Nope, it doesn't. Oh well. I tried. I feel like I'm in the elevator. I'm in the elevator right now. I'm in the Providence Marriott. In the elevator. On my way to the pool area. Prime elevator music at its finest right here. A dark green ring. They say it's complimentary. Let's try it. Let's make the bucket hat have a little bit crazier color themes than the other ones. Make it a little different. Alright. And what is it? Red. Okay, still can't memorize it. Oops. There we go. And I don't know, I think this one will look cool with a dark band too. Going for it. Going for it. No, not FBX. Alright. The snowy one. I can do the snowy. I can do the snowy with this one. Because it has two materials. So it's somewhere over here. It's like that. With that. And maybe this is, yeah, something like that. Oops, I almost didn't have the armature selected. Alright. Snowy bucket. And then we have tan and teal. Tan and teal, tan and teal, tan and teal. I feel like tan would also look good with a dark rim like that. Tan, I guess I could just say brown, right? I should be saying brown. I guess tan's. This music right now. It's like lullaby music or something. Alright, that's right, teal, it was teal. Teal. Tan and teal. Oops. And let's do it for the ladies. Alright. I think that's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's definitely enough. Yeah, no doubt. Alright. Well, on that note, I am going to end the stream here. Going to push out these changes first. And this is all bucket hats. Again, this is fork for those of you that are jumping in now, and it's used to push all the changes within a team working on a game. Very, very handy. All bucket hats. GLTF. And FBX. Commit 50 files. And then push. Alright. And there we have it. Cool, cool. Well, I'm going to continue on these hats. And basically, I'll see you later for some art. And some Ocarina of Time. Maybe some World of Warcraft. Maybe some more art. Maybe some guitar. I don't know. You can stream anything these days. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. I hope you are having a great Wednesday, wherever you are. And I'll see you next time.